Hi, everyone. Welcome to the end of week one and beginning of week two. I hope you all were able to successfully navigate our Brightspace platform. In the discussion forum, thank you all for introducing yourselves. I enjoyed watching all of your videos and seeing you identify your two truths and a lie. And if you have not already, please go ahead and identify which one was a lie. For me, my lie was my favorite food is pizza. It is not. I actually do not like pizza. And my favorite food is seafood, but particularly I love lobster. So I'm excited to see how others were able or not able potentially to identify which your lie was. So as we go in through the group, concepts, you will see that we'll be looking at group stages as well. And you'll be able to identify the forming, norming, storming, performing, and adjourning stages in group counseling or groups in general, and you will identify that this is our forming stage, right? So we are forming our group. There are only 5 students in the group, so we are a small group. We'll get to know each other pretty well and work together pretty closely throughout the semester, even though it is an online class. And some of the objectives of the forming stage are to identify the expectations, of the course, so the course syllabus, getting to know each other, right, and understanding really what our purposes and our objectives are for this particular group, which is an introduction to group counseling. So next week, what you have on the agenda for the work that you need to do is, again, your initial video posts, which those are always typically due on Tuesdays. So looking at your Brightspace page, you'll see the week 2 discussion. The focus is on exploring group dynamics, communication, conflict, and decision making. The wording of this post is pretty wordy, so it's lengthy. So I do want to kind of simplify it. Basically, you're going to watch Irvin Yalom's outpatient group therapy video. So you watch that first, and then when you're ready, you're going to record yourself, just like you did for your introductory post. And you're going to record this time a 2 to 3 minute video. And you're going to really highlight 1 to 2 key takeaways from the group therapy demonstration in that video that you watched. And then you're going to reflect on your own personal and academic experiences where you've actually observed group dynamics. And what I'd like you to share with the other individuals in the class are, what, when you're thinking about observing a specific group dynamic, focus on communication, conflict, or decision making. So really kind of discussing insights that are from the video that you've actually experienced. So for example, how did communication impact group cohesion? What conflict was conflict managed effectively? How did the group come to a decision? So again, this can be in classes that you've taken. This can be in, some of you have been in groups yourselves as participants. Some of you have had experience even facilitating groups. So kind of just reflecting on that. And then discussing how the insights from the video could be applied to improve or address challenges in group settings. So that is the video that you're going to post, again, 2 to 3 minutes. And then what you'll do is by Thursday, you'll respond to at least one other student's video. This can be either written, like most of you did for the introductory post, or of course, you're always welcome to record a video response as well. I find that, it's more personable if it's recorded, but I do understand that with time constraints, sometimes it's easier to type a response. So within that response to at least one other student, you're going to consider, what did you learn from their reflection? So their video reflection. How does this experience compare to your own? And what additional insights or strategies can you share based on your understanding of group dynamics? So you'll be able to do this by, again, watching the video. There is a narrated PowerPoint on therapeutic forces, which are going to guide the work and that we do in group counseling. And there is another or a couple of other videos that will be helpful with you in addition to reading chapter 2. In addition to the discussion forum, you also have a couple of homework assignments that will be due Sunday. So again, this video is being posted on February 1st is tomorrow, January 31st. So we're talking next week. So we're talking February 9th, it looks like. You'll be completing the understanding group stages and then reflection paper 2, which is focused on group dynamics. So I highly recommend that you read chapter 2, review the narrated PowerPoint, review all the videos before completing your discussion posts and the understanding group stages. So again, welcome to week 2. And if you have questions, then you may reach out for an answer. And I look forward to continuing to work with you throughout this semester.